Howdy, this is Terry, and I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to click that like button and look at the description of this video. I have all kinds of links, and on my homepage, you'll see a bunch of playlists for how I lost my weight. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Okay, let's get our stuff ready for tomorrow. For breakfast, this is my last yogurt and cottage cheese and some Applegate sausages. I'm finishing those up. Lunch. So I'm going to take some of my chili that I made. You'll see it this on Sunday, I promise. But I want my coworkers to taste it. I want to get their opinion. That's my salad. So wait a minute. Let's see what our other options are. That's something. That's veggies. And that's something. All right. So this one looks like steak. I haven't made steak in a while. I don't know when that one's from. So steak. I think I want the steak. This stuff just a chicken. I know you people love chicken, and it just don't stay with me for very long. So for lunch, I want the steak. So let me put this away. Hold on. Okay, so with the steak, I'm going to season that with some garlic lovers. We're going to put on some Flavor God Everything seasoning. I bet you think I'm going to do ranch, but I'm not. Ha! And then just some plain salt. So there we go. That's going to be my steaks tomorrow. And then, that's my chili for tomorrow. I've got, full disclosure, I cut an apple tonight to take with me. I didn't eat it. And so I've cut up, man, that's already turning brown, a gala apple. So I'm going to take those together because those are both very outdated. And they really should be thrown away, but that's all right. Got my salad. I'm going to put a little bit of peppers. These are just some chopped peppers. I don't know if this is going to close. Because I bought the broccoli slaw this week. And that took up some extra space. We'll see. Watch out, Sammy. Alright, so put that there. I'm going to go on and change out this paper towel too. It's getting wet. Yeah, maybe that'll just help keep things fresh. Alright, so now let's get some seasonings. Well, while I'm at it, these are just right here. It's a handy. No, not that one. I want some everything bagel seasoning, because yes, please. And some guacamole and more. I need to refill this. I have a container of it up in my cabinet. And some of this ranch seasoning. All right, now, let's put a couple tomatoes on here. Let's really make the lid not fit. All right, so now let's see here. Got to zero it out and got it grams. So I'm going to go on and put my dressing on here. This is such a hodgepodge of dressings now. I can't even tell you what all's in it. I added some Skinny Girl poppy seed to it earlier. All right. Way too much dressing, I'm sure, but, you know. All right. Hey, it closed. Woo, woo. All right. So we got our salad. We have our chili and steak. Hang on, the dogs are barking. Then we got our apple. And we have our yogurt and cottage cheese. And we have our turkey sausage. So I'll put this in here. And in the morning, I'll make up some coffee. And I'm going to go on and put some. What I've been doing is setting up my electrolytes. And I've been going ahead and filling up my little K-cup. My little reusable not disposable, my reusable cup. So I go on and put that and get that together. And I'm gonna set this over here, and I'll use that in the morning. I'll get my coffee going in the morning. So, okay, bye. Good morning, it's breakfast time. I have my sausages and I have my yogurt and cottage cheese. I don't know which flavor it is. It's always a surprise. This is the last one. Then we're going back to eggs. And I like the flavor of that stuff, but boy, I like the convenience of this. This looks like maybe blueberry. This is so convenient, man. But it takes prep. So I don't know. I might just prep up my eggs and stuff ahead of time before the night before and see what I think about that. I don't know. Can you crack eggs and leave them in a container like this for 7 days? Somebody tell me below. And I won't do it until I hear from y'all. I'm going to put a little of this in here, just a little bit. But, yeah, you all let me know below. Can I crack eggs into one of these things? And it'll be closed up, so it's not like it's going to be, you know, just sitting out to get gross. So, yeah. So, can I crack eggs and leave them in here? Not to freeze. I've frozen eggs before. I know that's something that you can do. But I just want to know. And, it's all good. All right. See you at lunchtime. So I am going to be eating during an online meeting, and I'm not going to be able to talk to you guys. So I've got my salad and my apples, and what is this I brought? Oh, nope, that's for my people. And I'm the steak bites that I brought. There we go. So the steak. So just before the meeting starts, like 2 or 3 minutes, I'm going to go heat up the steak. And then it's online meeting, so I'm not going to be shoveling while people are looking at me. But anyway, so when it starts, I'll microwave my steak, and I'm going to eat that during the meeting. And then after the meeting, it ends at 12. So after the meeting, I will, I brought the chili, and I'll see what everybody thinks of the hicka bean chili. We'll see what they all say about it. Hicka bean chili. And you all know, big as life. If you watch me make this, you know I forgot my spoon. Have no worries, but because thanks to you all and your bright ideas, I have some here. I have 3 big spoons and 4 forks. I don't even use forks, so I don't know why I thought I needed 4, but I got 4. So anyway, so haha, there we go. So all right, I'll see you at supper. No, I'll see you once I know what everybody thinks of the chili. Okay, bye. Okay, well, people tried it, and they like it. I think one person, she said, well, that jicama doesn't take the place of beans. I'm like, well, to somebody who don't eat beans, it does. So anyway, so I have that much left of my chili, so I'm going to eat it. And overall, and you know, since jicama has a hint of sweet, it's a good flavor. So, all right. I know I'm rubbing it in. This recipe comes out Sunday, so just be patient. Be patient. Okay, bye. Okay, it's Monday, and we have our life group. I think this is week 6. Anyway, we have life group for 6 weeks, and then in the 7th week, we get together at somebody's house, and we're going to the leader's house. I think it might be next Monday. So anyway, yeah, so it is 4:30, and I'm got my food in the microwave. I'll show you what I'm having as soon as it's done. But yeah, so we're going to eat real quick and then go to life group. Hang on. Okay, let's see what we got here. So we have some carnivore chicken Alfredo with riced chicken. So I was talking in the comments with somebody, and they said that when they made it, it was just kind of the texture was yuck. I don't remember what she said the texture was like, but whenever after you cook it, you definitely want to put it in a hot skillet and kind of cook it. You know, you kind of want to make sure you dry it out. So you definitely want to do that part. Otherwise, it's just soggy chicken. But if you kind of dry it out, it's what gives it that drier texture like rice has. Which is the texture you're going for. I need a little more something in here. I'm going to put some of my garlic levers in here. It needs a little something, something. It's a little bland. A little like a basic thing. I want a little pizzazz. I'm having that and some stump. Well, my version of stump. It is rutabaga. It's got some turnip. Let's see if this turnip has that stringy. Not turnip. Parsnip. Wonder why some of the parsnip was stringy and not others. That one wasn't either. Anyway, so we're having some Terri version of stump. I probably shouldn't be eating this rutabaga. I got a story for you. I was bragging on my chili to my coworkers because one of them had brought chili, and hers had beans in it. I said, "Oh, mine. I don't have beans, so I won't get the toots." Oh. It must be the end. Must be the end, like closer to the point, because that was like straw. Anyway, so I was bragging about my chili not having beans in it, so that way I wouldn't get the two. The office is right across the hall, okay? So, try from me to you. And I backed up and was standing in my doorway. I tooted. And all of a sudden I'm like, oh, I better go close their door. So I walked forward and closed the door. And one of the nurses was like, I need to come out. I'm like, you don't want to close them out. So I tried, they have barn doors. So I tried closing it and she was like, I got to come out. She's like, ah! So I traumatized her. And then, poor Connie. She's our new second to newest one. She'll be here a year on Halloween. Bless her. Connie, if you're watching, it ain't funny. It ain't funny at all. But bless her heart, she was to run out and go, bleh, bleh. So, I bragged too soon about my chili not having gas effects. I don't know. I have no idea what caused it. I had it last Monday too. So maybe it's all this weekend events. Maybe got my anxiety up or something. Maybe I'm having a psychosomatic response to too much activity. Anyway. So yeah. I kind of felt bad. That was her initiation. She's willing to stay and put up with that after almost 12 months. Should be a good one. So, yeah, I kind of felt bad. Then one of the nurses said, I said, I can't help it. She said, you can hold it in. I said, I can't hold it in. She said, yes, you can. People can hold it in for hours. I'm like, well, they shouldn't, because that ain't healthy. Because If you hold it in, you'll blow up. Didn't agree. What does she know? Anyway, I'm gonna eat this and my fruit and go Bible study or my life group. Bye.